Have you heard of one pixel attack? It is a fascinating concept where if you just change the value of one single pixel in an image, you can make the CNN misclassify an image entirely. So here in this example, you just change the value of one small pixel here, and this image, which was originally classified as 97% frog, is now 49% cat. So this is an example of something called as adversarial attacks, where you can make a CNN or neural network misclassify an input by deliberately adding something to the input. This has applications where in real world, for example, let's say somebody was modifying the stop signs by adding some stickers. So here you can see these white and black stickers, and the presence of these stickers were shown to completely fool the CNNs in self-driving cars to not recognize the stop sign altogether. So it's a real problem. So how exactly does this work? The basic idea is the following. So every pixel in an image can be considered to be one feature or one dimension in the input data. So let's say I have an n dimensional data which corresponds to n pixels in an image, and here I'm only plotting pixel number, let's say 55, and on this x-axis is pixel number 77. Remaining axis I'm not drawing, for example, right now. Now let's say the decision boundary between cat and frog is in this dimension. It looks something like this. Now it may so happen that the value of one particular pixel, like pixel number 77 and pixel number 55, if I plot the value, let's say this is 255, this is 0, similarly this is 255, something like this. Now if the value is somewhere here, right, so pixel number 77 has a value of close to 240, this one has around 125. If you slightly change the value of pixel number 55 from being 125 to maybe, let's say 140, just this one, then you are basically crossing the decision boundary. Everything to the left of this decision boundary could be a cat, everything to the right of this decision boundary could be a frog. So what about the rest of the pixels? Pixel 77 is untouched. Pixel 1, pixel 2, pixel 3, all of them are untouched. I'm just not plotting that in the graph because it's difficult for me to show. But basically, you will be able to find pixels which are very close to the decision boundary, and all you need to change is increase the value or decrease the value of that pixel to change the entire classification. So this is one way in which you can implement adversarial attacks by just changing the value of one pixel in an image. So if you want to understand more, please check out the videos that we have in our channel.